Hey everyone, my name is Spencer Kaufman with Social Media Ministries. We have some exciting news. For those of you who sell on eBay, we are now recognized as a charity on eBay for charity. So you can sell an item on eBay, scroll to the bottom, and there's a spot down there that says donate a portion of this sale to charity. You can check that box and type in Social Media Ministries and we're going to show up. You'll see our logo and everything there. You can donate a portion of your sale, of your proceeds, to support Social Media Ministries. eBay takes care of all that through the eBay for charity, through PayPal. They'll handle it all. They may even give you a break on some fees, although all of that is subject to change. We have no control over that. But the point is that anything you sell on eBay, you can now contribute a portion of that sale to support Social Media Ministries. So we're very excited to have that partnership, and we really hope that if you sell on eBay, you would consider doing that. You could donate 5%, 10%, 100% of your sale can support Social Media Ministries. Now, what are we going to do with those donations? Well, we are going to put them right back into the ministry, and they will be used to help us accomplish our mission, which is to use social media to spread the Word of God to as many people as possible. And it is a great mission. We want to reach more people through social media, and the only way we can do that is if we start promoting a little bit more to get out beyond our current reach. So we got to reach more people, and we can do that through advertising, sharing more, and all kinds of stuff, and money will help with that. So that's what we're going to do with those donations. Among other things, we have operating costs, expenses, etc. But all of the money is going to go right into the ministry. So don't worry about that. What you got to focus on is if you're going to list an item on eBay, check out Social Media Ministries in that charity section. And even if you're not a big eBay seller, you don't list a lot, there's going to be a link in the description below that you can click on. And if you have an eBay account, click on that link and just favorite us as a charity. So we can get more people adding us to their favorites, then we would be recognized on that list a little higher, so more people could start seeing Social Media Ministries. That would really help us in the algorithm as well. So if you could do that, that would be great. Thank you so much for your support, and God bless.